TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome to the Wix tutorial series. This time we're taking a look at columns within strips, everything that you need to know. First off, let's see how to add a column. Select the strip you'd like to add a column to and then click the layouts icon, then choose add column. This will add a second column to your strip. You can choose whether to stretch your strip to full screen or not by selecting the stretched icon and choosing screen or page from your selection. This will either stretch it to fill the screen or only to your page width. You can change the background of a simple column by selecting your strip, selecting the individual column and choosing change column background. From there you can choose between a color, image or video. I'm just going to choose a nice dark gray for this one on the right. To resize your columns, simply select the strip, choose the layout icon, and then choose between the column proportions, either a preset one, reversing the layout, or customizing it. To attach an element to your column, simply select the element, ensure that it will fit inside the entire column, and drag over your column of choice. You'll see an attach to column icon pop up, and with that visible, just simply release to attach that element to your column. If you've put it outside of your page, you may get a warning, in which case just drag that to the inside area. If you'd like to duplicate a column in your strip, simply select the strip, choose Manage Columns, pick the column you'd like to duplicate and click the duplicate button. This will duplicate the column directly next to your previous one. As you can see, this might require a few design changes. You can easily create text columns using strips by adding a strip to your page, turning that strip into several columns, adding some text to your page, and then placing that text inside the individual columns by clicking and dragging as before. That's it for this time around. Thank you very much for watching everybody, and I'll see you all next time on TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.